Dive into the ultimate vegan delight with our crispy vegan Parmesan cauliflower steaks.
Wow. So good.
This easy 35-minute recipe features tender cauliflower steaks baked to golden perfection, brushed with a garlic spice oil and topped with vegan Parmesan for that irresistible crunch. Paired with a creamy avocado dip loaded with jalapeno kick and fresh arugula, it's a healthy, low-carb vegan dinner that's perfect for beginners. Watch as we transform simple ingredients into a show-stopping plant-based meal, ideal for meal prep, keto vegans, or anyone loving flavorful vegan recipes. Hit subscribe for more exciting vegan cooking adventures from Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen. This vegan Parmesan cauliflower steak is not only low-carb and gluten-free, but also bursting with vitamins to keep you feeling fabulous. Perfect for vegan meal prep, holiday sides, or just because. If you make this, tag us at Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen on socials. We can't wait to see your crispy creations. Subscribe for more easy vegan recipes, vegan dips, and cauliflower hacks that will make you the star of your kitchen. What's your favorite way to eat cauliflower? Drop it in the comments below.